Alright, in this video I'm going to go over the new Sandbox feature in Windows 10 Update 1903. You can check what version you're on by going to Windows, Settings, and then About, and then you can see your Windows version right there. This only works on Windows Pro or above, so keep that in mind. If you have Windows 10 Home, this won't work. And it requires a little bit of a prerequisite in being that virtualization has to be enabled. So if you right-click on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager, it'll open up Task Manager, and it might look like this if you open it, if you've never opened Task Manager before, but you can click More Details and expand that, and then go to Performance. And under the CPU tab, you'll want to look for virtualization and make sure that's enabled. And if that's not enabled, you will have to enable that in the BIOS. I'm not going to go ahead and show how to do that, but you would get into your BIOS and then look for virtualization and enable it. In my BIOS, it was labeled ESR or something. I don't remember what it was enabled, but just make sure that's enabled. And then after that, you want to go to your control panel, so you can type in control panel. And then go to programs and features. We'll click on that, and then turn Windows features on or off, and let that load. And we'll scroll all the way to the bottom and check Windows Sandbox. And then once that is checked, click OK. It'll say you need to reboot, and it'll do like a mini Windows update and enable it. And then once you're back to your desktop, you should be able to click on your Start menu now and type in Sandbox, and then you'll have a clean version of Windows 10 to test whatever app or program you want. And it's pretty cool if you download like a program that you don't know is if it's a virus or if it contains anything, or if you just want to test something without installing it on your machine. This is a great place to do it. It's a virtual machine that is deleted as soon as you close the app. So you could go here and go to Google, and you could install Chrome. Download it now. I click on the right link. And we'll just let that run. So I already have Chrome on my main machine, as you can see right here. But this virtual machine doesn't have anything on it. It's a clean Windows 10 install. I don't even think it has the games and stuff that come with Windows 10 by default, like all the stupid Candy Crush apps and crap like that. So it's a nice clean install that you can just test stuff with, and it's really nice. So one thing I forgot to mention is when you close this, it deletes anything. So let's say let's copy I have this other tutorial here, so you can right click it and click copy and then paste, and you can drag and drop files across into here. And then do whatever you want with these. Apparently it doesn't have any media players, so you would have to install that, but you can drag and drop, or not drag and drop, but you can copy and paste files in between your host machine and then the virtual machine. And then if you delete something, it's permanently deleted in the VM. It's still over here on my desktop. And then I can close this, and it'll say, are you sure you want to close Windows Sandbox? once it's closed, all the content will be discarded. So if I close that and then type in Sandbox again and let it start back up, it'll be a clean install again. So there we go. Here's the clean install again. So hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.